Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to give you guys a WeLocalize review if this is legit or scam. As you can see, we're on the official legit Reddit page, and one guy says that this is legit, he did passed the exam and everything. And then this guy also says totally legit and it's not Taylor, same job but different agency, things like that. And then yeah, it's $15 an hour. As you can see, this guy is also saying this is legit, but he didn't pass the exam, things like that. And then this guy, we're on the Glassdoor and it has a 3.5 rating, which is, I would say, average. As you can see, most of the pros are good pay, great people, and cons are no benefits until several months, or also like low benefit if you are part-time worker. And last but not the least, on Trustpilot it has a very bad review, which is only 1.6%. as you can see, don't waste your time, very poor treatment. So yeah, most of the people are having an issue with just the exam, like being able to pass that, and also the fact that it is only $15 an hour. But if you do get to pass it, you can go ahead, give it a try. But yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.